welcome to Lynn's Recipes. Today I wanted to show you a chicken chipotle salad. This is a great salad for lunch or a light dinner. I'm going to show you the dressing ingredients first and then we'll move on to the salad ingredients. To make the dressing, you will need 1/3 cup of chopped cilantro, 2/3 cup of light sour cream, a tablespoon of chopped chipotle pepper, and it comes in a can like this and it says chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, and you just can take one out and just chop it really fine. You'll need 4 teaspoons of lime juice, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the salad part, you'll need 4 cups of romaine lettuce that you've just torn apart. You'll need 2 cups of roasted chicken breast, and this is rotisserie chicken that I got at my deli at my grocery store. 1/3 cup of slivered red onions, just longwise like that. 1/2 cup of chopped avocado, a cup of cherry tomatoes that you've cut in half, a can of black beans that you've rinsed and drained, and an 8 3/4 ounce can of whole kernel corn that you've rinsed and drained. So I'm going to start by making my dressing, and I'm just going to put everything in this pitcher and whisk it together, and that makes it easy to pour onto the salad. So there's the cilantro, the sour cream, the lime juice, chipotle pepper, and here's my spices and salt. Okay, I'm just going to simply whisk this together till it's well blended. That looks pretty good, and that's what it looks like. And so now I'm going to move over and just mix my salad ingredients together. I'm going to put my chicken in my lettuce, tomatoes, the avocado, the onion. This is a really pretty salad. It's colorful. I've got our corn, our black beans, and now you just pour some of your dressing over or spoon it over. See if that's enough. I'm just going to gently toss all of this together. Now it looks pretty well coated, so I don't think we're going to need any more dressing. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And now I'll put some on a plate and show you. So here you have it, chicken chipotle salad. I hope you enjoy it.